Good day to everyone. Next type of design technique is equivalence class partitioning. It is another type of test case design technique which is used to identify valid as well as invalid test data. Equivalence partitioning, it is another technique that helps us to reduce the required test cases. It will partition the test input data into classes with an equivalent number of data. One can design the test cases for each partition here. This technique ensures that one thoroughly tests the software while minimizing the required test cases. In this type of technique, we will group similar inputs or scenarios together in order to test the software efficiently. Now let us see an example for equivalence partitioning and let us see how this technique is actually used. Let us consider testing a text box that requires the user to enter a number between 1 and 10. By using the equivalence partitioning technique, we will derive the scenario that is from one valid and two invalid values. That is, we will partition from infinite to 0 as invalid, 1 to 10 as valid, and 11 to infinite as invalid. Now when we enter the text field for any invalid number, it should show an error message. And in the same way, when we enter any value that is valid, it should accept. This is how the equivalence class partitioning technique is used. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.